Tired of customers abandoning their carts at your WordPress checkout? Let's bypass that entire process and create direct payment links for lightning-fast sales. First, log into your WordPress admin area. We'll be using a plugin to enable this functionality. So navigate to Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type in payment links and hit enter. You're looking for a plugin that specifically mentions creating direct payment links or bypassing checkout forms. Once you find a suitable plugin, click Install Now. Wait for it to download and install on your website. After installation, you'll see an Activate button. Click that to enable the plugin's features. Now, you'll likely find a new menu item in your WordPress sidebar. Click on this to access the payment link generation tool. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields to enter the details of what you're selling. Start with a clear and concise product name or service description. Next, enter the amount you wish to charge for this item or service. Be precise here. You might have an optional field for a more detailed description or notes. Use this to provide any extra information your customer might need. Once you've filled in the necessary details, look for a button that says Generate Link or Create Payment Link and click it. And there you have it. The plugin will generate a unique direct payment link. This URL goes straight to a secure payment gateway, skipping your usual WordPress checkout page entirely. You can then copy this link and share it directly with your customers via email, social media, or even embed it on your website for quick purchases. This is perfect for service providers, freelancers, or any business looking for a super fast way to get paid. Simplify your sales and streamline your transactions today.